The burning of the demon bird. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's a lot of smoke.
Is that the devil?
That's really smoky.
Oh shoot. Jacob, maybe you get the hose.
Yeah, maybe we should get the hose. It's kind of smoky. No, cops don't come. It's good. Just hurry up. Burn faster. Burn faster. No, yeah, it's fine.
This is pretty good right here. It smells wonderful.
It smells bad.
I would say it smells wonderful. Oh look, it's coming back to life. Oh wait.
It's like just stirred.
Oh gosh.
Nothing to see here.
Kind of a lot of smoke.
Yeah, it's dying down. We're good.
Yeah, it is dying down.